Good morning on an unbelievable hike. Unplanned, just happened to be right by camp roughly. It's about 5 miles away, no big deal. But it's called the Big Eddy Trail. It's 10 miles one way. It's called a point-to-point trail. So you start and finish in different points. I'm just gonna go 5 miles, turn around and come back. But it's next to a huge dam. I'm not even gonna try to pretend to pronounce it, but it's next to Orofino, Idaho. We're only about half a mile in to the trail, but it's just one of those hikes, guys. I mean, it just doesn't get much better than this. This is like hiking 101. When you think of hiking, this is it right here. Just unbelievable. It's moist and damp. Temperature is about 60. It's perfect. Just hope it doesn't rain. This is turning out to be one of the nicest hikes I've ever done. And I think it's only going to get better the further north we go. We're going to turn around at Priest Lake, somewhere on Priest Lake, which is only about 50 miles, maybe even less, from the Canadian border, and start heading southbound. My gosh, Brady is in heaven with this cool temps and this padding under his feet. I can't wait until the sun comes up, or not up, out from the clouds. It's just going to transform this place, the lighting. But we got 10 miles, so, you know, with filming and everything, that's probably 4 hours. Got my bear spray, of course, because this is definitely deep Idaho. I'm loving northern Idaho, guys. This is uncharted territory for sure. And I cannot wait to keep going north and see what else it's got. This is just on another level. This is, I mean, I haven't been able to put the camera down. Both pictures and filming. Oh my gosh, this is just unbelievable. Happy, very happy right now. It's raining, but who cares? This is nearing the top. The best hike ever. I just can't believe it. And it's not, you know, it's not sunny and dry. It's kind of miserable, but not for me. This is what it's about, guys. This is what it's about. I just can't believe where I'm at right now. I mean, my gosh. I know the lighting isn't the best. It's a little dark in the forest, but hopefully it'll come out okay. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable, untouched beauty. Fingers crossed for the sun, guys. It's completely soaked through these thicket. But that's all right. That's what it's about. Hey, bear. We're here, bear. Yeah, bear, we're over here. Here we come. Here we come. Yeah, bear. Man, I wonder what this is. Bones. Pretty big bones. I don't know. Obviously, those are the shoulder blades. Cleaned out. I'm thinking, look at that. That's a pretty big femur right there. I mean, haven't seen anyone else on the trail. We're about 6 miles in. Decided to do 12 miles. So we're gonna turn around soon. But it just keeps getting interesting. We're not near the lake anymore. We're in the woods, deep in the woods. So maybe when we hit the lake again, we'll turn around. But what an incredible experience being here on a rainy, dreary, dark day, all by myself with my little man. Man,